Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everybody doing today? Today we are going to be making some pan fried chicken because I met with a lot of beginners who just start learning how to cook, and also I met with a lot of students. They want me to show them some dishes so they can make it very easy and simply, and they can make in bulk and put in the freezer when they come back from the work or maybe school, so they don't have that too much time to cook. So this is the dishes I make for my son. He's a single and he lives by himself. I put a lot of masalas and spices in the chickens and fish and freeze it for him. So when he comes back from this office, he just takes some of them and put in the either pan or maybe air fryer. It's gonna be very easy to make it. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this dish. Okay friends, to make pan fried chicken we need chicken. So I cut the chickens like this, small pieces, like a very thin slices of chicken breast. I took chicken breast. I have one piece over here. I'm going to show you how to cut that. And we have some breadcrumbs and some garlic powder. I have some garlic powder over here and some black pepper and salt to taste and some basil, dry basil. Okay, that's all we needed. Okay, let's go see how to cut this chicken first. I'm gonna show you how to slice the chicken. I left one piece to show you how to cut this chicken. Okay, you just cut them in the middle like this, half. These are very good chicken breasts, so small and so tender. This is a crescent chicken. It's an organic chicken, so you can buy this kind of chicken, and you just slice them a little bit to make it flat. Like that, and you can cut little pieces like this in the middle with a knife. The spices can go inside. It's not too many spices anyway. So I'll take this one and just put it in here like this and cut it in the middle. See, you can even put in the bun, hamburger bun, or maybe bread. You can make a sandwich too if you want. But my son likes to eat just with a salad. Okay, we are gonna put all the spices in there. Just some salt to taste, some basil, or if you have other herbs you can even put it in there. If you don't like the herbs, taste of herbs, you don't have to. It's black pepper and some garlic powder. Okay, dry garlic powder. Okay, we just mix this real good. I have a lot of other dishes too to make for the students, and quick dishes, quick and simple. We can even cook too because we don't have to be working hard in the kitchen all day long. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to be making a lot more dishes. I'm going to give you a lot of dishes. I need some subscribers. Please subscribe. And if you have anything in your mind, if you want to learn something, some other dishes, please let me know. I'll teach you how to cook it. Okay? Okay, that's it. Chicken is marinated. We are marinating this chicken for half an hour. We're gonna leave it. Okay friends, we marinated the chicken for half an hour. Now we just have to take breadcrumbs, and you can put in the breadcrumbs like this. Generously. It's gonna be so crispy and nice, soft inside, and outside is gonna be crispy, this chicken. Okay, we could take one tray like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we'll put in the tray like this. Okay friends, we put all the breadcrumbs and all the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. Once it's freezed, it's gonna get hotter. So if it's get hotter, you can put in the Ziploc bags so they don't stuck to each other. And I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna fry one in the pan, another one I'm gonna put in the air fryer. So I'm gonna show you how to cook this. Okay, let's go put that in the freezer first, then I'm gonna come back and okay friends, this pan is hot. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of oil. You don't have to put a whole lot of oil. This is a pan fried chicken. So I'm just have some olive oil spray, cooking spray. So I'm gonna use this, and one piece of chicken. Okay. We'll cook 2 minutes one side and 2 minutes another side. Okay. Okay. This is another piece. I'm gonna put in my air fryer. This is my air fryer. I'm gonna take this olive oil. And you're gonna open this air fryer. This air fryer, so we can put it in here. Put some spray, and maybe turn around the other side. Put some oil, and we're going to start. This is the chicken. Put on chicken. So we'll go. Temperature is lower. 350, and we'll just start it. Okay, the time is also 40 minutes is too much, so you're gonna put it in 10 minutes. Okay, that's enough. We'll cook in 10 minutes. Okay guys, our pan fried chicken is almost ready. Both sides is done. I put it 2 minutes one side, 2 minutes another side. It is ready because it's so thin. It's cooked so easily. Okay. This is done. We are going to be waiting for air fried chicken. Okay, it's 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn the chicken around. Flip it. See, it's done almost. So one side, other side. Okay friends, our air fried chicken is also ready. So we're going to open this. Unplug it. It's beautiful. You can even cook at the air fryer or maybe at the pan. Okay friends, our nice air fried chicken and our pan fried chicken is ready in few minutes. You don't have to wait for too long when you come from the work or maybe school. So this is very perfect dish for any students, any beginners. So keep this recipe, and if you have any questions and if you all want some kind of different kind of recipes, what you want to learn, please let me know. So I'll show you another kind of dish. Whatever the dish you want to learn, please let me know. I'll show you the dish. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye, have fun.